Working in these laboratories of my studies here has taught me so many techniques that I wouldn't have otherwise been able to learn just in lectures, so it's massively beneficial to have facilities like this.
It gives a much more better understanding of the types of techniques, type of equipments that they're able to use, rather than just having all the theory behind it in their lectures. They can actually get to use the equipment and understand the practical side of things.
Our labs are set up in a way that it can satisfy the demand of all our groups, so going from applied science to forensic science, toxicology, archaeology, anthropology. We are able to supply all this large community of students.
They have numerous safety protocols. We've got a system, swipe in, swipe out. We've been briefed on health and safety. I've done a particular course on this item, and we know all our emergency numbers and people who are first aiders.
Ventilation, gas system, anything that's got to do with the safety of the lab is top of the range.
I'm researching a neotropical tree, so a tree in Central America, that turns atmospheric CO2, the stuff that's bad for our planet, into calcium carbonate, a rock in the ground.
I'm looking at a particular microbe. We assess it through the flow cytometer to basically find out ways to detect it better, have a look at its life cycle, and ultimately kill it. It's a toxic bacteria which causes harm in human reservoirs, particularly in ecosystems and water we drink.
I use a piece of equipment called an ICP, which turns samples, soil samples, plant samples, into an aerosol and sprays it across a 10,000 degree flame and makes them explode into colour, and that tells the machine exactly what's in the sample.
We got a spectrometer and ICP, and we also got anatomic absorption spectrometer, one of the latest model in-house. We also got an SEM scanning electron microscope, is GOL 6100.
Later I'll be digesting soils with acid in the room over there, which is really handy.
Can't go out into the working world without knowledge of how to use the machines that basically are the backbone of the research that you need to conduct.
The labs are working really well. The students are very excited to come here and do their research, and they're usually pretty happy.